Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this EIGIIS smartwatch. I already had this smartwatch for over 3 months now, and this is a great watch to have. So let me show you what it comes with. You have your watch itself right here. So it has the camouflage wristband. You have your charger and your reader. You have 4 functioning buttons right here. Let me show you. It also comes with the charger and another band. So you could switch them out from either the black or the camouflage color. Very easy to switch it out. All you do is just pull this tab and then slide out, and then you just put in the new one. So let me show you how it looks. So this is the face that I chose here. So you could customize how the face looks, and then you have your sport mode that if you're going to do an exercise, then you could set it up so that it could track it for you. You press the back button right here. Then if you swipe up, then you could set up your phone to read your messages here. You could press back, swipe down. Then you have like your settings screen. You could change the brightness, the settings, SOS, information. There's a flashlight on the watch, your call, your night mode, and your battery levels. Swipe it the other way. It shows how many steps you made, how many miles you walked, and your calories burned. And then that's your heart monitor. As you sleep, it tells you the temperature outside. Then you could control your music using your smartphone once you set it up with your watch. And then you can even add other stuff on here. Another cool feature that this watch has is that it has a flashlight, which is right here. You just hold down this torch button, and then there's your flashlight. Let me show you how it looks when the light is off. So you can see how bright the flashlight is. It's a bright LED light. It's very convenient to have when you're walking outside. And if you want to turn it off, all you do is just press the torch button again. Just hold it down, and then it turns off. Let me show you how it looks on the wrist when it's on. It looks very stylish. And when you move the watch, then the screen goes on, or you just touch the watch right here, and you can do many features on here. It's water resistant, and it's very cool. A nice color scheme. And then once you pair it on your phone, it tracks your steps, your calories burned, how far you walked, and then everything is stored on your phone. So on your phone, you can set up your alarms, you could change your faceplate on here, you could set up the different settings using your phone. And you can even tracks the women health, and this connects to different apps also. If you want to customize your menu styles, you go to the gear right there, you click on menu style, and then you can go to the first style, you press the home, and then you press home again from the home screen, and then you can see how the menu style looks. This thing has a compass, so you just gotta calibrate it real quick, and now it shows you the compass, how it looks. You can go back. You want to check the air pressure. There's your air pressure. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great smartwatch. I like how it feels good and it's built very well, and I also like how it comes with a different band also. And the display is very bright, and it's very responsive, and it's very easy to use, and you're able to customize the watch to your likings.